ऑल वेलकम। आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है प्रोफेशनल ब्यूटी इस एग्जीबिशन के अंदर। आज हम जो प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं दैट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी एक्साइटेड। या हम कूदेंगे नहीं, कुछ टेक्निकल करके दिखाएंगे, राइट, विच इज मोर अबाउट एजुकेशन। एंड ये जो हम शो करने वाले हैं आज, व्हाट एवर आई एम गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंट, आई शो यू कि हाउ यू कैन यूज द टूल्स ऑन द राइट वे, विच इज द मिस्टर बाबर. Mr. Babar, one of the best brand of India. I can say because I use myself, and that's the reason I got agree to use this product in front of everyone. Right? So आज जो हमने प्रिपरेशन की है, जो तैयारी की है, उसको हम आपको करके दिखाएंगे and show you some technical cuts also, which is very commercialized, very commercialized. You can utilize for yourself. आप अपने सैलून में, अपने काम पर उसे इस्तेमाल करके you can make it more money also. So it's about learning and making more money at the same time, right? So I'm going to be start. I can see many of the celebrities, many of the known people, which I can see. Wow, fantastic! आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, बहुत बहुत स्वागत. I can see many of people there. Fantastic, Mr. Baba team also there. Very good, guys. It's one of the very biggest show. I am little nervous, but I'm very excited also. So शुरू किया जाए. यस, पक्का, कच्चा, पक्का. इन्हें चेन चाहिए. मैंने कहा चेन तो मोदी जी के पास है, हमारे पास सिर्फ नोट है. सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद अवर मॉडल. व्हाट्स योर नेम? अनुपमा. जस्ट गिव अ बिग हैंड टू अनुपमा. लोग बाल कटाने को तैयार नहीं होते, काटने को तैयार होते हैं, राइट? ठीक है. तो अनुपमा's one of the very sweet girl, but Anupama asked me, what are you going to be create for me? I'm ready to cut my hair. I said, we create according to your face, according to your personality, which we always keep in a mind, right? So I'm going to be start from Anupama's hair, जो हमने थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर किया है ताकि we have a very less time to present in front of you. Yes, Navid, please come. This cut I call, I made for my previous company at least 2 crore for this cut, okay? Anybody want to learn this 2 crore ka haircut? Interested? Every section is costing lakhs. Every section is costing lakhs. I'm telling you 2 crore. After this thing, you practice it and you'll get 2 crores in your hand. तो अमिताभ गया. सो रेखा मतलब हुई हमारी लाइन और है हमारी गाइडलाइन, विच कॉल द लाइफ लाइन. आपको पता है व्हेन वी लर्न एड्रेसिंग, गाइडलाइन खो गई तो ढूंढते रहते हैं कहाँ गई बालों के अंदर गाइडलाइन. डोंट फॉरगेट गाइडलाइन. So this I'm going to start with my guideline. I'm taking elevation into 45 degree and cut and you can do little texturizing. so important, which create a different variations and the style. The same time I'm leaving it. Guys, I just little pre-prepared this thing because we have very less time to present you this thing. Again, I'm taking a you. And you also can try it out. This cut may go each and every hair. You can work with a curly hair, you can work with a wavy hair, you can work with a straight hair also. But depend, the length you're deciding it, depend. The moment you're deciding it, depend. The angle you're deciding it. Now I'm opening up section number 2. इसे भी मैं इसी तरह diagonally section लूंगा. I'll take this section diagonally. Section number 2 is open up. Taking this section diagonal. Again, I'm holding it. Just go behind your client. Elevation. Of West. Okay, we are not only, grooming our student to learning hair, but the overall grooming, the style, the way you cut your hair, the way you stand, the way you communicate. So each and every part is very, very important for people. But friends, एक चीज और है, आपके एक अच्छे स्किल के साथ अच्छे प्रोडक्ट का होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. And the product which make you very, very comfortable and will make you happy after the result. So that's the reason that Mr. Barber, I feel, one of the best product, and you should also I don't know, the one haircut also gave me so much of fame. मुझे नहीं पता था, because I'm so much fall in love with hair. And the hair also fall in love with me. They are so friendly. They understand my language, my hand, my scissor movement, and they come the way I want. But thank you so much for the good product. Also, top section. So what I did, I created length and I created little movements. Now I'm giving you some volume and the bounce on the top area. I open up this section, divide this section into two parts. Again, two parts. Also, देखना, this section is very, very important because it's create a volume and proper layers on the top area. Hold this section tighter, travel and go up. और जैसे ही आपको आपकी guideline मिलती है, this is my guideline which is already there, and you can cut this part. I'm using a little more texturizing scissor, texturizing technique to remove extra bulk and the more volume and bounce. Little up and higher. जितना मैं ऊपर की तरफ जाता हूँ, I'm using my section. Cut has to be very commercialized, my friend, which people can wear easily. It's something looking smart, and my academy and my studio is very famous to create a very smarter look on face. So we have a client who follow for the smarter look, to look stunning and look very different in industry. We definitely create a funky and very funny look also, but smarter is our main area. Now, this is the last section which costs again 50 lakhs. You'll get, I know the 50 lakhs. Nisha, you're gonna get. I open up my section. You can see this section की खासियत क्या है? This fringe I am making it, which is half of eyebrows से लेकर end of eyebrows, and it will be little squarish on the top area because I'm looking for something is very, very thicker. 45 डिग्री। आप जहां खड़े हैं आप उन सारे बालों को वहां पर खींचेंगे, विच इज अ वेरी इजी एंड गुड टेक्निक. That way you get a very good mixing and asymmetric look. Again, I'm doing the same thing, right? Holding this hair, elevation 45 degree, and pull your. Now I'm going to be using a little bit my tools like Mr. Barber brush and the dryer to make hair to be look more smooth. अच्छे product, अच्छे equipment का इस्तेमाल करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, which is really must. I really love this brush. Have a shine, flow. Without equipment, it's very difficult to achieve any look, guys, because hair is very frizzy and untidy many of the times. उसके ऊपर हवा का पानी का बहुत असर पड़ता है. But you want to achieve something is very nice, is smarter, very soft, very sexy. You can say the word which I don't want to use it, but the so now. Okay guys, so it's easy to get a shape. Fantastic. Now I have a more model which we prepared. So in present in front of you, Mr. Barber Shoes with a collaboration with Touch by Tanveez. Please just call all the models on the stage. Yes. These models come on a stage. Great. Music. Yeah, Navid. Now I would like to invite at the same time Mr. Manoj Patel,